Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of electronics technology news is AI-powered anti-drone system targets swarm warfare threats. Built to detect, jam, spoof, and neutralize hostile drones, how India's latest counter-drone platform reflects changing realities of modern warfare. Zen Technologies has unveiled what it describes as India's first fully integrated AI-powered anti-drone system, designed to counter evolving drone warfare threats ranging from individual FPV first-person view drones to coordinated swarm attacks. The system was launched and has been developed entirely within India under the indigenous design, development and manufacturing framework. The announcement comes amid growing global focus on low-cost drones being used in modern conflicts for surveillance, targeting, and offensive operations. According to the company, conventional air defense systems often struggle against small, agile, and low-radar cross-section drones, creating demand for dedicated counter-drone platforms capable of real-time detection and neutralization. One of the major advantages of the new system is its layered defense architecture, which combines both soft kill and hard kill capabilities. The platform supports RF radio frequency jamming, GNSS global navigation satellite system jamming and spoofing, remotely operated weapon station integration, air defense guns, and kamikaze interceptor drones to engage hostile aerial threats across different combat scenarios. The system also features wideband frequency coverage from 70 MHz to 12 GHz, enabling disruption of diverse drone communication channels. The anti-drone platform integrates an indigenous radar with detection ranges of up to 20 kilometers and supports simultaneous tracking of over 100 drones for swarm engagement operations. At the core of the system is an AI-enabled data fusion and command center that combines information from multiple sensors to classify, track, and respond to threats in real time. The platform has been developed in 3 deployment configurations, including vehicle-mounted systems for convoy and battlefield protection, lightweight man-portable variants for soldiers in field operations, and fixed installations for securing military bases and critical infrastructure. According to Ashok Atluri, Chairman and Managing Director, Zen Technologies, drone warfare is redefining the battlefield, and nations that fail to adapt will remain vulnerable. He added that the system reflects the company's focus on indigenous defense technologies and future-ready battlefield capabilities. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.